Poor latching, let's fix this. How would you even know if your baby is having a poor latch? Let's look at some signs. 1. Feeding forever, but your baby is still hungry. I guess you can relate, right? Secondly, painful nipples throughout the feed. When you find throughout the feed. And then also, baby smacking or clicking sound like that sound. And then lastly, cracked nipples that don't heal. Let's look at how to fix this. 1. Hold baby tummy to tummy. Wait for a wide open mouth like a yawn before latching. Also, try different positions like cradle or football hold. And then lastly, make sure more of the areola is in the baby's mouth and not just the nipple. Breastfeeding should be bonding and not painful. Follow us for more and share to your loved ones. Bye.